Today, I'm going to take you on a wild journey where you'll discover how the universe is a huge puzzle that mirrors your thoughts and can make all your dreams come true. You don't want to miss this, so keep on listening. After watching this, you will know 4 dynamic ways to talk to the universe and tell it all your wildest dreams. And wait, there is more. If you give it a chance, it will give you everything you ask for and more. You just have to know how. Sounds exciting, right? Well, buckle up and prepare for the best to happen, because we're about to tell you exactly how to do it. This is the moment you've been dreaming of, the moment that will totally blow your mind. The cosmic journey is the idea that you are not just a physical being living in a material world, but a spiritual being having a human experience. You are part of the universe, and the universe is part of you. You are connected to everything and everyone, and everything and everyone is connected to you. This means that whatever you think, feel, and do has an impact on the universe, and the universe responds to you accordingly. Your thoughts are like magnets, attracting or repelling things into your life. Your feelings are like signals, telling the universe what you want or don't want. And your actions are like commands, telling the universe what to do or not to do. Talking to the universe is all about becoming aware of this connection and using it to your advantage. It's about realizing that you are the creator of your own reality and that you have the power to shape it according to your desires. It's about learning how to work with the universe instead of against it, and how to co-create with it instead of competing with it. How can you use the law of attraction to create your own reality? The law of attraction is the universal law that states that like attracts like. It means that whatever you focus on, you attract more of. It means that whatever you think about, you bring about. It means that whatever you feel, you manifest. The law of attraction is the tool that you can use to create your own reality by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals. It's the secret that many successful people use to achieve their dreams, and that you can use too. The law of attraction works in 3 simple steps: ask, believe, and receive. First, you need to ask the universe for what you want by being clear and specific about your intentions. Second, you need to believe that you already have what you want by acting as if it's already yours and feeling the emotions of having it. And third, you need to receive what you want by being open and grateful for the opportunities and signs that the universe sends you. The law of attraction is not magic, it's science. It's based on the principle of vibration, which states that everything in the universe is energy, and that energy vibrates at different frequencies. Your thoughts and feelings are also energy, and they vibrate at different frequencies too. When you match the frequency of what you want, you attract it into your life. It's like tuning into a radio station and listening to the music that you like. What is the language of energy and how can you learn it? The language of energy is the universal language that the universe speaks and that you can speak too. It's the language of vibration, frequency, and emotion. It's the language that transcends words and that communicates directly with the source of all creation. The language of energy is the language that you need to learn if you want to talk to the universe and get what you want. It's the language that you need to master if you want to understand the messages and guidance that the universe sends you. It's the language that you need to practice if you want to raise your vibration and align with your true self. The language of energy is not hard to learn, but it does require some awareness and intention. Here are some tips on how to learn it. Pay attention to how you feel. Your feelings are the indicators of your vibration and the feedback of the universe. If you feel good, you are in alignment with your true self, and the universe is supporting you. If you feel bad, you are out of alignment with your true self, and the universe is trying to redirect you. Choose positive thoughts. Your thoughts are the seeds of your reality and the triggers of your emotions. If you think positive thoughts, you will feel positive emotions, and you will attract positive outcomes. If you think negative thoughts, you will feel negative emotions, and you will attract negative outcomes. Express gratitude. Gratitude is the highest vibration and the most powerful emotion. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the abundance that you already have, and you attract more of it. When you express gratitude, you align with the frequency of the universe, and you amplify your manifestation power. Meditate. Meditation is the best way to quiet your mind and tune into your inner voice. When you meditate, you connect with the source of all energy, and you access your intuition. When you meditate, you clear your energy field, and you raise your vibration. When you meditate, you speak the language of energy, and you listen to the universe. How can you use your attention to shape your life? Your attention is the spotlight of your life. It's the tool that you can use to shape your life by focusing on what you want and ignoring what you don't want. Your attention is like a beam of light that illuminates whatever you point it at and makes it grow. Your attention is also like a magnet that attracts whatever you focus on and repels whatever you neglect. Your attention is the key to using the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Whatever you pay attention to, you get more of. Whatever you look away from, you get less of. So, if you want to attract more of what you want, you need to pay attention to what you want. And if you want to avoid more of what you don't want, you need to look away from what you don't want. For example, if you want to attract more money, you need to pay attention to money. You need to think about money, talk about money, feel good about money, and act as if you have money. You need to appreciate the money that you already have and expect more money to come. You need to focus on the abundance of money and not on the lack of money. But if you want to avoid more debt, you need to look away from debt. You need to stop thinking about debt, talking about debt, feeling bad about debt, and acting as if you have debt. You need to ignore the debt that you already have and not worry about more debt to come. You need to focus on the freedom from debt and not on the burden of debt. How can you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the universe? Align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the universe and watch the magic happen. The universe is always in alignment with itself and with you. It is always in a state of balance, harmony, and flow. It is always in a state of love, joy, and peace. To align with the universe, you need to align with yourself. You need to be true to yourself and to your purpose. You need to be authentic, honest, and transparent. You need to be yourself and nothing else. To align with the universe, you need to align with your thoughts. You need to think positively, optimistically, and constructively. You need to think creatively, imaginatively, and innovatively. You need to think big, bold, and beautiful. To align with the universe, you need to align with your feelings. You need to feel good, happy, and satisfied. You need to feel grateful, appreciative, and thankful. You need to feel excited, enthusiastic, and passionate. To align with the universe, you need to align with your actions. You need to act intentionally, deliberately, and consciously. You need to act courageously, confidently, and decisively. You need to act generously, kindly, and compassionately. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the universe, you become a powerful co-creator of your reality. You attract more of what you want, and less of what you don't. You manifest your desires and fulfill your dreams. You live a magical life. A practical way to align with the universe is to affirm what you want. Use positive statements that reflect your desires and intentions. Repeat them to yourself, either aloud or silently, to program your subconscious mind with your goals. Affirmations are a way of telling the universe what you want and how you want to feel. Another way is to take inspired action. Don't just sit and wait for things to happen, but act on your impulses and opportunities. Follow your passion and your joy, and do what makes you happy. Inspired action is a way of co-creating your reality with the universe and showing your commitment to your dreams. That's it for today, folks. You've learned how to talk to the universe and create your own reality. Now go out there and have some fun with it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.